Hey guys, today we're making soft pretzels with our sourdough discard. It's only 6 ingredients, they're so easy, and who doesn't love soft pretzels? I won't make you wait any longer, so let's get into it. Okay, first things first, we've got 250 grams of warm water. We're gonna pour that in our bowl. We're gonna add 15 grams of brown sugar and 5 grams of yeast. Okay. Give that a little mix, and we'll wait about 10 minutes for the yeast to start getting bubbly, and then we can add the rest of our ingredients. Okay, we're back. It's been about 10 minutes, and our yeast is looking nice and bubbly and foamy. We're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. We've got 15 grams of salt here, and then 200 grams of our sourdough discard. And 600 grams of flour. All right, we're going to be using our dough hook attachment, and we'll mix this all up. And then I am going to let it knead using the dough hook for about 4 minutes. You can totally do that by hand. I just haven't noticed a difference, and the hook is definitely easier. So I'm going to give that a go. Right, it's been 4 minutes. We've got our dough. Okay, and it's smooth, it's not sticky, and it's holding its shape. So we'll just leave that for about an hour and a half to 2 hours to let it rise, and we'll be back then. All right, it has been an hour and a half, and our dough is very large. Okay, so this is the fun part. You can do whatever shape you want. I'm gonna do some regular style pretzels, and then I'm also going to do some of the little pretzel nuggets. Okay, we've rolled it out nice and thin. Go over like that, and then twist one more time and stick them down. Just about an inch. You can reshape them if you want. You totally don't have to. Just up to you. That one back in there, it's kind of small. It's kind of fun to reshape them just so you can make them look extra cute, but that's definitely not necessary. All right, we've got our pretzels all shaped and ready to go. Now we will boil them for 10 to 15 seconds in baking soda water, and then you're gonna put them on your lined baking tray. You can do parchment paper or a silicone mat like I have. And then you will either do your salt if you want them salted, your toppings if you want jalapeno cheddar or pepperoni and cheese to do a pizza pretzel. And then if you want to do brown sugar cinnamon, you would leave them plain and then coat them in butter after they're baked, and then sprinkle your brown sugar cinnamon mix on top. Those are really good too. And then we will bake them at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. And they are gonna be so good. I can't wait to show you guys the final product. Let's get these boiled and in the oven. Okay guys, our pretzels are done and they look amazing. Look how good these big pretzels look. The salt on them is so flaky and perfect. They are so fluffy. I can't wait to dig in. If you liked this recipe, be sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post my videos. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of this. Thanks for watching.